Hello friend, in this video I explain the air filter restriction warning displayed on the monitor of Komatsu PC800 Excavator and how it properly diagnose it. You will learn why the air filter warning does not appear at ignition on, why the warning comes on after the engine start, how the air filter vacuum restriction sensor, how to test the sensor using external air of vacuum, how to identify fault in the sensor, rubber hose and wiring, how to identify fault in the sensor. Common mistake the case was air filter warning. This warning is generated when airflow of the engine is restricted. Now we will show you how is the condition of filter. Now we remove this filter cover and then see how is the condition of filter. We want to remove. I think before we replace the filter and still have warning. Now again we test this filter condition. The operator told me before he replaced more filter. Yes, this filter condition is good, not bad. The warning is generated when airflow of the engine is restricted. Ignoring it can lead to loss of engine power, high fuel consumption, turbocharger damage, reduce engine life. This video is especially helpful for excavator and heavy equipment, mechanic, field service technician, machine operators and maintenance staff. Following the step-by-step method show in video correctly determine what our problem is caused by the air filter vacuum sensor or wiring and avoid unnecessary part replacement. Now we will show you filter this sensor location, just this radiator downside, this sensor location, this air filter sensor, this flow sensor. This one location is downside in the radiator. Now you have to watch this video in the end. We will tell you how to test the sensor in the sensor are good or bad outside. We test live. This problem may seem related to sensor, but we will show you everything step by step. Now we will go downside and we will show you another thing. This sensor location is downside this radiator. Now we will show you this hole. Sometimes this filter have more dusty than dust come in this sensor. There's some of case this full hole is with dust, then sensor did not properly vacuum. But now we physically check it hole. This one now has any dust. We see this hole, but no have any dust. Some of this have more filter dusty than come just inside gas, and this sensor did not properly vacuum. Now we remove this connector and See this connector and wiring is good, because when he start the engine then appear this warning. Just this connector is good. Now we want to remove this connector and then we remove this sensor. We want to replace this sensor. Then let's see, I will show you step by step this all video. Now we use 13 number spanner, then remove this sensor. Okay. Now we remove already this sensor. This look like this one sensor also no have inside dust. Sometime if they have dust inside, then did not properly vacuum, but that case no have any dust. Also we see this hose and this sensor also no have dust. Now we want to replace this new sensor. Then if you have the parts available, then it become easy for you to check the testing, but when you don't have the parts, then you have to watch this into the video. If you don't have the parts available, how can you test this sensor live to see there is a problem with the sensor? Now we want to replace new sensor. Now I want to replace this new sensor, then we continue in this video. Now we fix this 13 number spanner. We fix it tight properly. Then just wait, we will show you again. Go to cabin and computer. This warning is gone or still available. We will show you step by step. Now we replace new sensor. We fix this connector. Just we don't have CRC. We want to clean this connector must you clean, but now I don't available this CRC. In this case, after properly inspection and testing, we found the air filter restriction sensor was faulty. When we replace the sensor with a new one, the warning message immediately disappear from the monitor. Now we start. Now you see, now we start the machine. Now no have any error, this filter warning error. Now we start before when we started it's come. Now you see, no have any error. This confirms that the air filter itself and the intake system we are good condition, and this issue was the case by incorrect signal from the sensor. After replace the system started working normally and no air filter warning. Right now we are checking this air filter restriction sensor in the sample and open area. This is not professional work, so please do not mind location. Then the main, please do not mind. Purpose of video is show how to sensor work. This main purpose of video show how to sensor work and how can we test using vacuum. We use this DC tester. We fix here. This tool here show the slide. See, it's cheap. And now we connect the wire back probe this sensor. Then we will show you with this cheap tester this sensor is work or not work. You can find how this way how to test this sensor. See, we this test lamp, we when we join, then this light is blinking. This just we test this tester is when light blinking. Now we use this vacuum machine. Then we this hose, we use this knob. Then we already this wiring connecting this with sensor, one wire with clip there and one wire with back probe. See, now we use this vacuum. This sensor is faulty. This is a simple and easy method how to check this sensor. Please like this video as much as possible and share it with your friends, and subscribe my YouTube channel Muhammad EFI platform. Inshallah you will find a more knowledgeable and informative video here. The YouTube channel link is also shared.